Hello students, today we are going to see exercise 1.1. In that first problem, find A cross B, A cross A and B cross A. Yeah, first subdivision, A set is equal to 2 comma minus 2 comma 3 and B set is equal to 1 comma minus 4. Here in this finding, first A cross B. A cross B which is equal to A set elements into B set elements. Here finding its cross product. Cross product is a set of all possible ordered pairs. Here finding the ordered pair with these sets from A to B. From A to B, first one is 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1 and then 2 comma minus 4 and then minus 2 comma 1 and then minus 2 comma minus 4 3 comma 1 3 comma minus 4. Okay, the same manner finding A cross B. A cross B which is equal to A set into B set. Here finding the Cartesian product. Possible ordered pairs. Possible ordered pairs, here 2 comma 2 and then 2 comma minus 2 then 2 comma 3. Now here is minus 2 comma 2 minus 2 comma minus 2 then minus 2 comma 3. Third one is 3 comma 2 3 comma minus 2 3 comma 3 is relating 2 with the elements of A, minus 2 with the elements of A and minus 3 with the elements of A, finding the possible ordered pairs. Here B cross A which is equal to B set elements 1 comma minus 4 into A set elements 2 minus 2 3. Here finding its Cartesian product which means set of all possible ordered pairs. Here 1 comma 2 1 comma minus 2 1 comma 3 minus 4 comma 2 minus 4 comma minus 2 minus 4 comma 3. Okay, yes, second subdivision, A and B is equal to P comma Q which means A is also PQ and B is also PQ. Here also finding A cross B, A cross A and B cross A. As A cross A, B with the P comma Q, P comma P, P comma Q, Q comma P and Q comma Q. Since the elements are same, here also the same value P comma P, P comma Q, Q comma P, Q comma Q. And here P comma P, P comma Q, Q comma P and Q comma Q. These are the Cartesian products of A cross B, A cross E and B cross A. Okay, now third subdivision. In this third subdivision, A is equal to M comma N and B is equal to 5. A cross B is equal to A set cross B set. If any one of A cross B is equal to 5, if any one of a set is equal to 5 using that result. Since if here one set is equal to 5, their product is also 5. The same manner B cross A is equal to one set is 5, so its Cartesian product B cross A is also 5. Now finding A cross A. A cross A is A set into B set. Here A set elements are Mn, B set elements also Mn. Finding its product M comma M, then M comma N, then N comma M and N comma N. Okay, now second question. Yes, let A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to X such that where X is a prime number less than 10. Find A cross B and B cross A. As here given as A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is prime numbers less than 10. So prime number less than 10s are 2, 3, 5 and 7. First listing those numbers, then finding Cartesian product A cross B and B cross A. Okay, first A cross B, A set into B set. A set 1 with these elements 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5 and 1, 7. Next one is 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5 and 2, 7. Next one is 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5 and 3, 7. Okay, now Cartesian product of B cross A. B cross A, B set into A set. Here 2, 1, 2, 2 and 2, 3. Now 3, 1. 3 with that cross product. 3, 1, 3, 2 and 3, 3. Next 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3. Next 7, 1, 7, 2 and 7, 3. That's all students. Thank you.